Because you too.
It's where the blue bits.
That is cinema.
Well, shit.
It was 3 days before Christmas. Many children were expected on the island of Sussex. Children!
Shut up!
The engines were busy with the final preparations. The Fat Controller wanted this year's carol party to be an extra special celebration. Quickly now, he said.
Nope.
Our Christmas tree has arrived just in time. I want you to fetch it, Thomas. Will we be able to sing carols too? Asked Thomas.
All around me are familiar faces.
Wanna have a race, Thomas? Fuck you.
Thomas collected the tree safely, but large snowdrifts lay ahead.
Oh, you got to be fucking with me.
Whistling bravely, Thomas tried to move, but he couldn't. There was worse to come.
And they say suicide isn't the answer.
Poor Thomas was snowed under.
Are you fucking?
While the other engines waited and waited and waited and waited and...
Shut up, bitch!
Thomas left the works safely, but snow has brought the telephone lines down. We must assume he is stranded.
Oh, you got to be fucking with me.
Silence, you idiotic peasant! Any more lip from you without my permission for the rest of this meeting and your ass will be out in the scrap heap! Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
The engines now felt sorry for Thomas, and cold but confident, the twins set off to the rescue. Suddenly, they came to a drift that was deeper than the rest. Hush, said Donald. I can hear something.
Probably Mr. Wind. What? Hello, Mr. Wind. Great to hear you again. Who are you talking to? We're looking for a wee blue tank engine in the snow. You haven't seen one, have you? Dougie! There's no one there.
When the workmen arrived, it took some time to decide how to dig away the heavy drifts of snow. At last, Thomas and the precious Christmas tree were freed from the snowdrift.
Surprise, motherfucker!
The Fat Controller greeted them warmly. As a reward for all your hard work, you may go and enjoy the carols. Be quick now. At the big station, all was soon ready. 1, 2, 3. Fire! Ladies, gentlemen, and children, I give you 3 cheers for Thomas the Tank Engine and all his friends who have made this occasion possible. Suddenly, there was a strange whirring sound. Percy and Toby smiled. They knew who it was. Landing lights shining brightly, Harold the helicopter touched down gently in the snow, bringing the greatest surprise of all, Father Christmas.
Oh my God!
Happy Christmas, Percy. Happy Christmas, everyone.